Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we will understand the array data structure. Let me start by directly showing you how an array data structure looks like. So this is how an array of integers and an array of characters looks like. So an array is just a contiguous sequence of information of same data type. Now what do I mean by that? Let's see. So the sequence of integers and the sequence of characters are stored in memory as shown on the right hand side as a sequence of values one after the another. So in this case we can see that the array of integers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 on the left hand side is stored in the computer memory one after the another. So if we see the addresses, if we see the memory addresses, we can see that the first integer value 1 is stored in location 07FFC some number. So this is an hexadecimal number which represents an address in computer memory. So the first integer value 1 is stored in location 40 uh, and followed by the next number which is stored in location 44. So it is important to note that in almost all the computers, uh, the size of an integer is 4 bytes. So so we can see the memory address incremented by 4, which denotes the incrementation of 4 bytes. And similarly, when we move to the next number 3, the memory address gets incremented by 4. So from 44 to 48, then similarly to 4C, then to 50. Now, when we come to the area of characters, they are also stored in memory in a continuous manner. So the first character, in this case A, is stored at location ending with F0 and then followed by the next character B, which is stored at location F1. Now we can see that the difference between the two addresses is 1 byte. So in in computer, each character takes 1 byte of memory. So we can see that the next character B is just 1 byte increment from the previous character array value A, and then followed by the next character C, which is again stored at location F2, which is 1 byte incremented from the previous address. So to summarize, an array data structure is a collection of information of same data type. So uh, if we collect all the integers and store them one after the another in computer memory, that becomes an array of integers. And if we sequentially store a collection of characters in memory, that becomes an array of characters. If we place a sequence of strings in memory, that becomes an array of strings. In the next lesson, we will see how to implement an array data structure in C++. Until then, happy learning.